When you book a projector, you will find in the bag some information describing best practice for setting up the projector. Please make sure you read this and make any adaptations that you need to set up the projector correctly. We have a number of Sanyo XGA projectors. The important thing to note is that with the inputs, there are a series of VGA connections for computer peripherals, but also there is no HDMI. So we need to use phono, RCA connections, video and 2 audio channels. And this connects to the media player via the 1.5 mini jack that goes into this port here. Do not mistake this for the AC connection. There is also a separate audio output, so you can connect the projector to an amplifier and speakers. To power on, press the on standby button, and it will take around 30 seconds for the unit to power up. Focus can be achieved with the focus ring at the front here, and you can zoom on the zoom ring here to change the scale. Other important buttons are the input button to select your input channel, the multi-selector here for scrolling the menu function, and the select function. The first thing to do is to select project video or project computer. In this case, it's video. And then you may need to scroll through the input to find the correct input channel. The menu, and using the Omni cursor to scroll up and down. This will show the input. There's controls over presets for the projection. Then you have adjustments from contrast, brightness, color temperature, etc. So you can fine-tune the projection. You have a choice to change the aspect ratio between normal, wide, and custom. You can mute the volume or adjust the volume here. And importantly, with the settings, you can scroll right and press select to bring up the various different language settings. Please return to English when you have completed. Keystoning, select this, press select, and you can change the vertical keystoning to make your image square within a scene. There is no horizontal keystoning with this projector. Also, there are settings for ceiling, which enables you to flip the projection upside down for a ceiling mounted projector. And also, there's a rear setting for if you want to rear project, so it flips it horizontally. And finally, In the information tab, you can check, amongst other things, the lamp counter, which shows the hours remaining. It's a good idea to check this if you are intending to use the projector for installation or exhibition. To remove the menu, simply press the menu button, and to power off, press power off once and a second time, and allow the lamp of the projector to cool down before packing away.